ሃይ ኦል ዛሬ ፋውንደርስ ወይም ሊደርስን የተመለከተ ነው ሼር ማድረግ የፈለኩት። ይኸውም ዌዘር ዩ አር ኤ ፋውንደር ኦር ሊደር ኦፍ ኤ ፋሚሊ ኦውንድ ቢዝነስ ኤስኤምኢ ሚዲየም ሳይዝ ቢዝነስ ኦር ላርጅ ኢንተርፕራይዝስ there is one thing that is not negotiable. እሱ ምንድን ነው? we should be generalist. By generalist I mean you don't need to be expert, but at least you should have a working knowledge of key functional areas like finance, technology and legal. ሌሎቹ አያስፈልግም እያልኩ ሳይሆን እነዚህ ኪ ፒላርስ ግን they are circling around the other functional areas. እያንዳንዱን ለማየት ብንሞክር ፋይናንስን ብንወስድ ፋይናንስ is the life blood of the business. ይሄ ምን ማለት ነው? Irrespective of our solution, our product, if we run out of cash, no business. ስለዚህ a close oversight or confidence in how our cash flow is circling in the business, how we are addressing the financial challenge, the financial planning is very key. ከዚህ በፊት ስሰጥ የነበረው ኮርስ ነበረ ፋይናንስ ፎር ነን ፋይናንስ ሊደርስ። ይሄ ምንድን ነው? even though finance is not our expertise, we can learn some skills that will help you to focus on where to focus and how to delve into financial statement and to understand factors, to interpret in a very helpful way, how to spot red flags, how to ensure that segregation of functions are there in the finance function so that you have full visibility, and at the same time how to stay compliant, because any of deviation from regulatory compliance might lead into a significant penalty and sustainability of the business. So your finance expertise ባንሆንም we should intentionally develop a working knowledge. ሁለተኛው ቴክኖሎጂ ነው። ስለዚህ ኖርማሊ እንደሚባለው ቴክኖሎጂ is the engine of scale. When you develop your business ዛሬ ላለው ብቻ ሳይሆን ለነገ ተሻጋሪ የሆነ ቢዝነስ ለማድረግ ስንፈልግ we need to define clear process and automate some of the business, be it in operation, in customer service, and in our data repository ሊሆን ይችላል። ስለዚህ even though we have an IT team that will help with this process, founders or leaders should develop basic understanding on tech infrastructure, tech system, tech tools, even though they don't need to have in-depth insight into the latest emerging technologies like AI, big data, cloud, security solutions. You know, they may get insight from the team, but at least getting this basic understanding will help them not only in carving out the current operation, but defining the future roadmap. ሌላው ሌጋል ነው። ብዙዎቻችን ሌጋል ላይ we may not have the exposure to intentionally develop legal muscle. We may be too much reliant on our legal counsel, but if you look at it, majority of the operation starting from the business setup, day-to-day compliant, regulatory requirement, and the agreements and the engagement we have with different stakeholders engage some sort of legal transaction. So apart from relying on the legal advice, we should develop that muscle so that we know where we are getting into. አንዳንዴ ህግን አለማወቅ ከተጠያቂነት አያድንም እንደሚባለው እኛም ኢንቴንሽናሊ ያንን ማስል ዴቨሎፕ ማድረግ አለብን። አትሊስት ከቢዝነሳችን ጋር የሚሄዱ ሬሌቫንት ስታንዳርድ ከኮመርሻል ኮድ ጀምሮ if we are in public enterprise, a public enterprise law አለ። አዘር ደግሞ ሬሌቫንት የሆኑ ሴክቶራል ቦዲስ የሚያወጡት ዳይሬክቲቭ አለ። ስለዚህ እነዚህ ሁሉ ሌሎች ፋንክሽኖች እንዳሉ ሆነው የፋይናንስ የሌጋል እና የቴክኖሎጂ ላይ ወርኪንግ ኖሌጅ ዴቨሎፕ ማድረጋችን የሚጠቅመን ምንድን ነው? አልቲሜትሊ ለቢዝነሱ ሰስቴናቢሊቲ ወሳኝ ከመሆናቸው አንጻር ኢቨን ዞ አስ ኤ ሊደር ኦር አስ ኤ ፋውንደር ዊ ሜይ ዴሊጌት ኦቶሪቲ በት አት ዘ ሴም ታይም ዘ ሪስፖንሲቢሊቲ ኢዝ ላይዝ ዊዝን አስ። አካውንታቢሊቲው እኛ ጋር ነው። ስለዚህ የሌሎችን ኤክስፐርት አድቫይስ ተጠቅመን ብቻ ለሚመጣው ኮንሲኩዌንስ ዊ ካንት ብሌም ኦር ፖይንት ፊንገርስ ቱ አዘርስ። ተጠያቂነቱም ስላለ አልቲሜትሊ ቢዝነሳችንን ኢምፓክት ስለሚያደርገን ማወቅ አለብን የሚለው ነው። ይሄ ደግሞ የሚረዳን ለምንድን ነው? አንደኛ የፋይናንሻል ስታቢሊቲ ከማምጣት አንጻር ቢዝነሱ ቫያብል ሆኖ እንዲቀጥል። ከሌጋል የምናደርገው ዲሊጀንስ ለምን ይጠቅመናል? ሌጋል ኮምፕላያንት ከመሆን ባለፈ ፕሮቴክትድ ሆነን ሰስቴናብል በሆነ መልኩ እንድንቀጥል። ከቴክኖሎጂም አንጻር የምናወጣው ኢፈርት ቴክኖሎጂካሊ ኮምፒቲቲቭ እና ሰስቴን ባረገ መልኩ ወደፊት ስኬላቢሊቲ በሆነ መልኩ ግሮዛችንን እንድናፋጥር ይረዳናል ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ having this generalist mindset in the founders or leader is very critical, and I would be happy to know which areas that you feel like you are not much confident or kind of delegate the function fully to the functional expertise. Sometimes functional expertise በተጨማሪም even having these skills at our board level helps to get good insight or guidance. And which of the areas that you feel lack of confidence and what are you doing about it? And I'm happy to chat further for one-on-one discussion and happy to continue the discussion. Thank you so much.